All right, this is the solutions to the warm-up. So on this, you've got your minors, you've got your cofactors, and you've got your determinant. All three will be on your quiz. So the first one says to find the minors and the cofactors of the matrix. When it's 2 by 2, they're really just switching corners. But the rule on the minors is to cross through the row and the column that you're in. So this, a 2 by 2 produces a 2 by 2. The first one would be row 1, column 1. So I cross through those and I'd get 6. And then I'd cross through row 1, column 2, and I get 0. And then I'd cross through row 2, column 1, and I'd get -5. And then I'd cross through row 2, column 2, and I'd get 2. And those are your minors. And then the cofactors, you change the sign, but not the first one. So you change the sign of the top right corner. 6 stays the 6. 0 would be a -0, but there's no such thing. So it stays a 0. And then -5 becomes +5, and 2 stays alone. So top right and bottom left corners are the ones that change sign there. Most of you got that one right. All right, then B is your minors and your cofactors with a 3 by 3. So be careful here because we made some silly mistakes. Don't be lazy, okay? Especially for a quiz, I would write them all out. So I'm going to draw a big like tic-tac-toe board because it's a 3 by 3. And then in the first one, I would cross through the row and the column of row 1, column 1, and I get 2, 1, -1, 1. I'm going to go back and work that out. I'm just going to keep writing them out for now. Then I go to row 2, row 1, column 2, and I get -3, 1, 1, 1. And then I go row 1, column 3, and I get -3, 2, 1, -1. Now keep in mind, this experience is obviously going to be different on pen or with pencil and paper than it is on Notability, where you can kind of move around your things. So maybe practice your quiz review on paper today. Next one would be row 2, column 1. I get 0, 2, -1, 1. Then row 2, column 2. And I get 4, 2, 1, 1. Then row 2, column 3. And I get 4, 0, 1, -1. And then I go to row 3. Row 3, column 1, 0, 2, 2, 1. Row 3, column 2. 4, 2, -3, 1, and row 3, column 3, 4, 0, -3, 2. And then for each one of those, you're going to do the determinant. And again, I would say make sure you are careful and not lazy, because if you don't show this work, you will get no partial credit for that question. And that one's worth a good chunk. I want to say it's like something like 20 points or something between the two, the cofactor and the minors. So you want to make sure you are careful here. So I would get 1 times 2 minus -1 times 1, which is 2 minus a -1, or 2 plus 1, which is 3. 1 times -3 minus 1 times 1, -3 minus 1, which is -4. -1 times -3 minus 1 times 2, which is 3 minus 2, which is 1. 1 times 0 minus a -1 times 2. 0 minus a -2 becomes +2, and that's 2. 1 times 4 minus 1 times 2. 4 minus 2, which is 2. -1 times 4 minus 1 times 0. -4 minus 0, which is -4. And then we go to the last one. 1 times 0 minus 2 times 2. 0 minus 4, which is -4. 1 times 4 minus -3 times 2. 4 minus a -6 becomes +6, or 10. And 2 times 4 minus -3 times 0 is 8 minus 0, which is 8. And those are your minors. And then which ones do we change the sign on for the cofactors? Like north, south, east, west, or top, bottom, right, left. So the 3 is going to stay the 3. The -4 is going to become a +4. The 1 is going to stay as 1. 2 becomes negative 2, 2 stays, negative 4 becomes positive 4, negative 4 stays, 10 becomes negative 10, and 8 stays. And those are your cofactors. Questions on those? So if you did make a mistake, be careful, okay? It was probably something silly along the way. It wasn't that you, well, like it wasn't that you didn't know what to do at all. It was something silly. All right, then the last one is just the determinant. So like the fish, you're going to do negative 2 times 4 minus negative 1 times 3, negative 8 minus negative 3 becomes negative 8 plus 3, which is negative 5. Watch your signs on that, because if you did make a mistake, it was that. Questions for me? All right, so quiz review is posted. Your quiz is going to cover 7.5 and 7.7. So in the instructions, it says cross through 5 and 6 because those are inverses, and that's 7.6. We didn't do that yet. So you can cross through 5. And then obviously you're going to get adding, you're going to get subtracting, you're going to get multiplying. Remember, you can only add and subtract if they're the same dimensions. You can only multiply if the middle two match and the result's the outer two. So the quiz review is written like this, but you might also see it say something like, here's your A and B, find 1, 2, 3 things based on just A and B. So it would be written as 3A minus 2B or something like that, okay? Instead of them all being individual, they might, I'm going to give you like A, B, C, and then ask for a series of things based on those. You can cross through 6. And then 7 down is all the determinants and the minors that you just finished in 7, 7. Or 7, yeah, 7, 7. Questions? I feel like there's only, I'm trying to remember, there's only 6 questions on this quiz because some of them take a little bit of time, and there's not a ton of content. So timing should not be an issue. No calculators whatsoever. You can do this multiplication and addition in your head. I would say just make sure you're really careful.